Ladies and gentlemen, good friend of FIBA Study Center, good morning. I am very proud to welcome you in Madrid for our 10th partner meeting of our history. I am very proud to present on the main table, on the stage, Mr. Patrick Baumann, Secretary General of FIBA and IOC member, and Mr. José Sáez Regalado, President of Spanish Federation. They receive us here in Madrid, and we are very proud to be here. Please, Mr. Baumann, you please to take the floor.